If you want to edit a photo on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case we can open the Photos app. Next, we're gonna open the photo that we wish to customize. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Now we can tap on these sliders at the bottom of the screen. And over here we can start our editing of the selected image. First we have style, so you can apply different filters if you want to. Of course, we can tap again in order to readjust the filter itself as well. We can go to adjust in order to find some automatic adjustments as well. We can adjust exposure, brilliance, highlights, and so on and so forth. We also have cropping tool, so you can cut parts that you don't want to have on the photo. We have the mirror effect. We can rotate our photo if you want to. And here we can also apply different forms or different shapes and different aspect ratios for our photo. We also have cleanup option that provides the features that allow you to pretty much erase something from a photo, among other things. And once you are done, also over here in the top right corner, right next to three dots, we have this markup tool that allows you to draw something, pretty much anything that you want to. But if you tap on these three dots, then as you can see, we can also copy our edits. We can save as a duplicate if you want to keep the original photo. We can also go to appearance in order to, well, this is just for changing the appearance of the app itself. But let's actually save as a duplicate so that we can still keep the original photo. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.